Hello, this is CalmingEscape. This is going to be a short preview or question video. As some of you may know, I enjoy hiking and being out in nature. I recently took some of this footage on a hike. My question to you is, would you be interested in seeing more hike/nature videos in the future? Perhaps some with just nature sounds. Others, I've thought about doing meditation sessions out in nature. I personally love the sound of nature and the visual aspect. So just let me know if that's something you would be interested in for relaxation or sleep, meditation. I hope you're having a wonderful night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.